Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I will just quickly go over a few updates in the DOT Summer in the Polkadot ecosystem. But of course, the Ethereum 2.0 merge will happen today. That's probably the big news for the whole crypto field and how this will influence Polkadot. That's something we need to observe. Okay, now let's get started. Actually, there are a lot of updates in Polkadot, so don't worry too much. Ethereum 2.0 will come, but Polkadot, we also have a lot of updates. So we'll quickly go over a few of them. So for example, Payoneer Finance, they support the bit green, and then you can go to the link and to deposit the dot and contribute to the bit.green. But one thing I would like to mention is when you contribute the bit.green, the bit green, right? Their Cardano, I think somehow they changed that. Like at the beginning, they said the minimum contribution is $100, but now they changed that. And so this is the rewards for $1 from their website, and the minimum contribution now is $5. There's another thing like residents at US and Canada, you are not eligible to participate. Even you participate, they said like they are going to reconfirm the eligibility. So if you contribute through Payoneer Finance here, you should be aware of that. Make sure you follow the bit green, like their rule, because there could be issue in the future when you contribute but you cannot get the rewards. I don't know how they will reconfirm that, so that's a potential risk. The next one is the the Turing and the MGX, they have a liquidity bootstrapping. I miss that somehow. Like I have trouble to open the website, but so the Turing, they have the Polkadot network network, which will have the Cardano very soon as well. So the bootstrapping event now is done, and then they also have the LP bonus, like it's arrived for the liquidity provider, and you can go to this website and you can click deposit and select the token. So since I didn't contribute, I cannot show you, but I will post the link and you can follow the tutorial. Should be straightforward. Bit.country. So bit.country, that's an NFT project in Polkadot. They have their app live now, and the app is here. So they also have the staking. So you can stake the token and the near token, and then you can get the bit rewards. They also have the map, and it's not started yet. I think there's a land as well. This event will be coming soon. So a lot of updates on the bit.country. So the next one is about the governance for the Clover and the Para trading pair on Payoneer AMM. I participated the Clover Cardano long time ago, and I think there are some issues to claim the rewards. I didn't check the updates of Clover Finance, so probably I will need to catch up. And if you have any comments, please leave that on the video, or you can directly put it here. So they have a podcast assembly. You can put your comments. What did you feel about this listing? Did you like it or not? All right, I just give a quick updates on the Polkadot ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye.